So about just over 3 years ago, I made this YouTube comedy skit where I pretended to get a package from YouTube, which was a pay-per-play button for reaching 272 subscribers.
YouTube have sent me a package. It's my pay-per-play button. It's my pay-per-play button. JC, it says JC2244. Congratulations on surpassing 272 subscribers. They must have sent this as a congratulations.
And it was just one of those clickbaity, stupid, silly video ideas. But as a viewer of Jack Sucks at Life, when I watched this diamond play button video, where he managed to get a diamond play button at only 1 million subscribers, it got me thinking about what if I made like my own kind of YouTube play button. And then I remembered that I technically did that really shitty version of a paper play button. And then I discovered this video by Paper Archer, where he makes his own paper YouTube play button by gluing card and stuff together. And I thought, you know what? I'm gonna make one of those. So I did.
You fold this one in half. You're gonna open it up. You're gonna spread glue. Get a really good amount of glue on it. And just spread everything around. Take this, you're gonna fold it back over. And crease out everything. Alright, for the next step we're going to be creating the template.
Oh, that was intense. Jesus Christ. I feel like I fucked it up a bit, but hopefully not too much. Look at that. Hello. Look at that. Not too bad. It's a bit wonky. Look at that. It's like a door opening of opportunity. Alright, 2 more to go. And then we stick them together. During the process of making it, things didn't go exactly to plan as I would have liked. It didn't quite work, did it? You know what? This might fix it. Look at that. Do a bit of the old that and that. Let me do this really hard again, right? You're following, guys? Oh my god, there's quite a bit of mess. Jesus Christ, I don't know how that's going to stay down actually. There's glue everywhere, guys. It's going horribly wrong. What we do once it's on the floor is you put the book Cinema Studies on it, press it down, and we leave it to dry. So what we want to do now is what do we do? We want it so it's like that, but that bit sticks out there. Yeah, and we get that little bit and poke that out. You can see right through it. Press it down, get it all out, and hopefully that doesn't fuck up. Get another book that we don't care about anymore. Actually, better yet, we've got some Huggies Pure wipes here. It's literally slipping down. Why does glue have to be like this? Look at that, there's a little play button out of glue. Let's wipe it down a bit, let's put it on the floor, and then we put these Huggies on basically. It's stuck to the book, look at that. That's actually a bit more stuck together than it was. Lovely. Right, so what we've got to do is, oh my god, this isn't coming out. I've washed my hands, I've cleaned up a bit, right, and we're going to fix this, right? So, what we're going to do is remove this book off the ground. Cinema Studies. Gender, there's a section around gender there. To be fair, guys, we might have this. Things go wrong, but that's the obstacle of life. Because I don't think that's that bad, do you? Look at that, it's got a few hairs, it's got a few carpet hairs. It's got a few hairs on the back, actually. It's quite, I don't think those are carpet hairs, is what I'm saying. There we are, and we've actually placed it down. Touch it down just a little bit. To make life easier, guys, I'm actually going to move the cutting board onto the floor, and then put the book on it that way, so I don't have to pick it up. And then hopefully, in about 5 minutes, we'll have a decent looking play button. So I got a bit bored of waiting for the glue to dry, so we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. Don't know if this is even an old-fashioned way. Oh, hello. So do that. Right, bite out. Then you just dry it. I'm just going to dry the glue, so hopefully I can cut it
without it being a soggy mess. We don't want any more soggy messes tonight, though.
Right, so we're going to make a little nameplate for the back of it. As you can see, I've had a few attempts already, but none of them were really big enough. So this is what we've come up with for the final one. A little bit bigger than the other one, you know. So now we write our name, and I don't know how I'm going to write congratulations on passing. I'll try my best, guys. You know what? I'm going to paint over this bit with glue and do it on this side because I feel like it's more authentic to use the pencil considering it's a paper blade one. And I get a bit more room to draw. And there it is, guys. JC2244. Congratulations on passing 272 subscribers. Finally, after all this time, guys, it's ready. I haven't actually seen it yet as a complete because it's been under that book still. We do love cinema studies here. After probably an hour or two of actually putting this thing together, here it is. The YouTube paper play button for JC2244 for reaching 272 subscribers back in June 2017. So my one's a bit bigger than the guys. It's a bit thinner. It's not quite as neat as his one either, and it's not the cleanest either. But as I said back then, it's a representation of the hard work and grind that it took me to get to 272 subscribers. This is a metaphor and a representation of sticking things together and gluing ideas and all that jazz. So yeah, this is the YouTube paper blade button that will probably stay on my table or on my shelf. I don't know why I made this. It probably wasn't worth the effort. So many things went wrong, but here it is. JC2244, this is for you for reaching 272 subscribers. Adios, amigo.